Just no fetish stuff. Okay. Well, there goes all my ideas. That has no relation to what I just said, by the way. I think this one will just do a head. What do you mean, what? Why are you guys confused? I literally just said it has no relation to what I said. It says no fetish stuff. Man, that makes me so angry. Oh, that has no relation to what I just said, by the way. No relation, no correlation. I'm not talking about the bird. What? I'm being pretty clear. Ah, man. Can't draw this with fetish in mind. Darn! Snaps fingers. Oh, by the way, it has nothing to do with what I just said. Unrelated. Yeah, no. I don't know why you guys are assuming I was talking about the bird. I literally said, and I can't be any more clear, that has no relation to what I just said.